Good morning, student. We start the next module, that is a module number 5 in that material science. In that first is free electron. We know the electrons. Electrons is an negatively charged particles, and that these are the revolves around the nucleons. And free electrons. Free means they are free to move. Then this is a basic concept we have to see. Let us in that diagram. Let us consider the atom. Atom is a consist of the atom is a consist of the proton, neutron and electrons. At the center of the core, protons and neutrons are present. The combination of protons and neutrons is known as the nucleons, and nucleons is a positively charged particle. Around the nucleus, electrons are move. Then the electrons is having the negatively charged particle. Then the electrons are moves around the nucleus for the orbiting, having the shells KLMN shells. Let us consider the copper atom. In that copper atom, the electrons are these are the electrons. In the first orbit, 2 electrons are present. In the second orbit, 8 electrons are present. Similarly to the third orbit. By these orbiting electrons having the one particular formula, that is 2n square. 2 as it is 1 is the number of the orbit. Here the number of the orbit is 1. Put that value here 1 2 into 1 square, that is a 2. Here 2 electrons are present. Similarly to the second orbit or second shell having the 2, put there n is equal to 2, then that is a 8. Then last number of the orbit, in the last orbit only one electron is present, and that electron is known as free electron. In the any atom, in the outermost shell only one electron is present, that electron is known as free electron. These free electrons are having the larger distance between the center of the core, and these are the free to move. At these electrons having the smaller distance, so that they are the strong bounded. But these electrons having the larger distance, these does not the bound strongly, so that this is a free to move. This valence electrons, this free electrons is known as free electron. This is a basic concept of free electrons. Then let us consider the metal. In that metal is a consisting large number of atoms. Atoms having the protons, neutrons, electrons are revolve around. They are having the large number of the electrons. In that, the outermost shell of the electrons, these are the free electrons. These are free to move random motion. Then here let us consider this one atom. In that outermost electrons are there, and that free to move. They are collide to each other. When the removing of negative charge of the atom, that becomes the positive, becomes nucleus having the positive atom. In that, here the electrons is negative charge. Then the electrons is absorbs the potential energy and remove. Then this atoms becomes the positive ions. The large number of the electrons are moves in free. Then here the next, here positive ions. Then next is here another one valence electrons, they are collide with another one atom. Then these atoms becomes the positive ions. Similarly to all these atoms having the same process. Then next, here the outermost shell electrons are present, that is known as valence electrons. Outermost shell, the electrons are present, that electrons are called as valence electrons. Let us consider the element, the lithium. Atomic structure, lithium and electronic configuration of lithium is 1 2. In that lithium, inner side of the shell fulfilled and outer side of the shell having the 1 electrons, that is a valence electron, and these electrons are free to move similarly to N and K elements. We know the basic diagram of the nucleons having the proton neutrons at the center and KLM shells. These are the orbits. N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3 and N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4, that is the outermost orbit, and that name is having the shell name is N. And here, see here, this is consider the metal. In that metal, atoms are present. These are the atoms. In that atoms, proton, neutron present, electrons are revolved. Here last, the direction of the electrons, these are the free to move and collide to each other. These free electrons is known as the valence electrons. And when the removal of negative charge through this atom, that atoms becomes the positive ions, becomes nucleons or nucleus having the positive charge. This is the basic concept of free electrons.